Hey there, YouTube. So, sorry I'm being late on posting a video this week. Normally I try to do them every Friday. Hopefully I'll get this up tonight. I already had a part of this video recorded. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and tell you all the short version right now. Basically, I'm going to switch my videos to doing a weekly update video, basically. And then projects as they come. So, I'm thinking every Friday I'm going to upload them, but let me know if it's if a different day would be better for y'all. Upload it every Friday, an update video, basically just telling you what I've done this week. I mean, maybe some weeks I say nothing, but as of right now, I'm going pretty much. Today, I'll just run you through the week. Monday. What did I do Monday? Oh, Monday I took a box off of a box truck. It was a Zuzu NPR. Yeah, NPR. Took that box off of that. Used the boom truck at my parents' house. All we did was just cut the U-bolts, cut 2 plates, lifted it off. The guy drove the truck out, and we went in business. This was one of my normal clients that I didn't do. He was wanting to put a flatbed on it, and he found a flatbed and he needed to go pick it up. So we just took it off, and yeah, he's gonna come back with a trail, and we're gonna put it on the trail and take it out of there. But yeah, that's that. Tuesday, what did I do Tuesday? Tuesday I went out and did some repairs on a couple utility trailers for another company I do some work for. Nothing too crazy, but it made me some money, so that's all you can say. Did that. Got paid from that. It was a 2-hour job, I think that was, just brackets and whatever. Wednesday, what did I do Wednesday? Wednesday I went over and I fixed a mower deck. Not something I normally like doing at all, and if it was for anybody else, I would not have done it. It was a family friend that we went to church with, so just went over there and just helped him out with it, and it wasn't a big deal. Just put some plates and loaded some more expensive plates and loaded the plates to the deck. He was just trying to get a year out of it, that way, a year or two, that way he doesn't have to spend $1,000, $1,400 on a new mower. The deck was like $500 or something, and it just wasn't worth putting the money into that deck, which I get it. So I helped him out, and we did that. And then Thursday I went out and I was working on a semi-trailer. Had to get there's 2 tanks for the airbags up underneath the rear axles, up by the frame. Had to go through, and one bracket was gone, the other was broke. Had to go through and re-weld them up. That's kind of a sucky job, to be honest with you, all around. Just excuse me. Just you couldn't get in there. I need to get me a I forget the Miller mask, world mask or whatever they call it. It's basically just like the goggles and then a couple with your face down here. I need to get one. I just need to bite the bullet and order one and buy it. Because a lot of situations, you can get your head in there fine, but you can't get your head with your helmet. And that's a pain when you're trying to weld something. It just makes a lot of things a lot easier, and it got the whole cover so you don't get all sunburned or nothing. But yeah, I just need to bite the bullet and buy it, because it will come in handy at some point. That, and then what else? I'm trying to think of what else. And then today, which today is Friday, I didn't have to work at my day job today. What did I do? Oh, I went on site with another local welder around here. I met him actually through YouTube. It was kind of interesting. But went on site and did some. It was like I want to say a mezzanine. It wasn't a mezzanine. It was a what's the name of that thing? Is it terrace? I want to say terrace. I may have that wrong. Or basically, it's the thing. It's like a it's like a roof of a patio, but without a roof. It just the structure, and then I have some like grading on it for them to put vines in and let vines grow all up. Pretty cool. Basically, all we had to do was put that grade in, for lack of a better word, down. I'll probably have something on my Instagram about some pictures of that. That was a cool little job. Took us all day. It shouldn't have took us all day, but we had to wait on some material issues and stuff like that. But we got it done. Which that is one of the jobs that I can really tell you. The Maxstall, my little Maxstall, that went great. He just got a Maxstall not that long ago. I think he got the 161, or whatever it is. Either 150, 151, whatever it is. But he just got one of them. We both had the engine drives with us, and we could have ran them, but it was kind of in a strip mall kind of deal. And we were just running 332nd 6010s actually, because everything was painted and those little Maxstalls, that was the key for those. We just ran two of them off of 110, and just knocked it out. We couldn't have done any faster with the engine drives. We didn't burn a dime of fuel on them. Nothing. So, I mean, you can't really complain with a $1,400 machine. I mean, something to be said about those little Maxstalls. They're portable. They're 110. They're 220. You can run 332nd, 7018 or 6010 all day long, not worry about them. Just one of those things that's where they come in handy. The guy I was working with, he does a lot of mechanical work, boiler rooms. He does a lot of pipe actually, and he bought that Maxstall just because a lot of the mechanical rooms he goes into, it's a lot easier to plug into 110 than it is to run through 200 feet of leads in there. It's just a lot easier to do that and be done with it. Plug into their power, or if you need an extension cord, whatever. Just easier to do that, knock it out, and not have to worry about it. But yeah, that's that. I'm trying to think. But that's my goal. Yeah, I might do a restaurant table repair tomorrow, stainless steel. We'll see. I'm waiting to hear back from the guy about it. But other than that, this weekend I may have a couple other projects going on. We'll see. I'm waiting to hear back from the people. So we'll see what that's drawn. But I'm finally fixing up the Silverado 1500. Got the dash out of it. I was driving it without a dash, but it's all good. The dash cluster that got sent out. It's actually on its way back now. I sent it out like Tuesday, and now it's on its way back. Got rebuilt. So that should be good. I get that back in. I don't know if I told y'all, but I put the add leaves on it. That helped out a lot. Went from sagging to nice. So I think what I might end up doing today or this weekend is I might take the bed off and then work on the rocker panels and all that. And that way I can then work on the utility bed, which that's what I'm waiting for. But we'll get to that at some point. But yeah, I mean, everything's gonna be going pretty well so far. yeah, once I gotta do the rocker panels, then I gotta put the utility bed on, and then just go from there. So, and then tomorrow I gotta change out the clock spring in the Welding truck and the E450. That shouldn't be that big a deal. I'm actually at AutoZone right now. I got to get the pole I need to take it off. Yeah, so we'll get that done tomorrow. Got some other random odds and ends I gotta knock out tomorrow, and probably take care of that. But yeah, all in all, that's about it. That's about all I got going. Actually, gotta go into Walmart and pick some stuff up, and then head back to the house. Yeah, it's about 9 o'clock at night, a little after 9. So, but yeah, I'm gonna hope to get this uploaded. That way, y'all can at least get a video, and I'm probably do a video about doing that clock spring because there's not that many out there. As well, there's a couple of reviews I want to do, a couple of items that I just want to review. I didn't do an unboxing on any of them or nothing, but just how they held up review, which I think that's more important than what they all knew. But yeah, that's about all I got for y'all today. I feel there was something else I wanted to tell y'all, but I'm not sure. So, but yeah, like I said, if you're trying to get into the industry and you're on a budget, I wouldn't be against picking up on those little Max Stars. Either Max Stars or like the MP210s or something like that. I mean, those things are handy. They handy as heck. The guy I was working with, he have a Bobcat 250, and he does pipe with that. Well, he have done pipe with it, and he still does pipe with it, and have no problem with it. But a lot of times, what for years he did, well, not years, for years he did pipe with that, and then he finally he found him a deal on a SA 200 or 250, a diesel one, and now that if he does pipe, he has that on a trail, and he just pulls it out whenever he needs it and get it done. He said the first job he was at, so you didn't do it with that? And he said, well, we're going to find out. And sure enough, he did the pipe. And as I said, people always talk down on the Trailblaze, the Bobcats and stuff. But he has to start somewhere. And like I said, he can do pipe welding with that and not have an issue with it. And just depend on the people on the field. So that's all I got for today. And I was talking to him, and he's probably gonna look into getting a Trailblazer next. Trailblazer 325. I was just talking to him because that's the same model I'm looking at getting. So I was looking at the Lincoln MP2. No, not the Lincoln Ranger 330, but I'm just not sold on it yet. The Trailblazer's got few more features that I like. The auto idle, the different levels. It can be idle if you're only running up to 150 amps and stuff like that. So that's a lot of fuel savings. How I look at it, and then the EFI. If I do go that route, I'm still on the fence about the EFI, but the XL power, I want that. Arc reach, I don't know. I don't know if it's worth the money, but I don't know if I'm going to regret not getting it. It sounds bad, but when you're spending $8,000 on a machine, a couple $100 is not going to make or break you. I mean, it's an expensive machine as it is. So, but like I said, hopefully by about midsummer, I can think about getting that. Like I said, I want to get it for the Silverado, but we'll see if that's going to work. I don't know if the weight is going to be there or not, but I don't know. But at this point, I'm just rambling, and if y'all have made it this far, thank you for watching. I appreciate it, but thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Yeah, and then hit the bell for notifications so you get updates whenever I upload a video. And yeah, like I say, if y'all have anything you want me to do videos in particular about, let me know. think I covered most of what y'all have asked so far, but I might be missing some stuff. And I'm gonna have a wig update coming up soon. Just since my last wig toll, I've changed a lot. So not really a lot. I've added a lot of pieces to the puzzle, but yeah, I'm gonna do that soon. Need to find time and need to clean up my truck a little bit. They are terrible. I need to wash my truck. That's what I really need to do. But anyway, like I said, I'm blabbing. So thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good night.